Restoring peace, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we'll be exploring the meaning and usage of the phrase, restoring peace. This is a commonly used expression in English, and understanding it can enhance your communication skills. Let's dive in. Restoring peace refers to the process of bringing back a state of tranquility and harmony in a place or situation where there has been conflict or disturbance. It implies a return to calmness and order after a period of unrest or chaos. 1. Political and social context. In politics, restoring peace often refers to efforts made to end conflicts or wars and bring about a peaceful resolution. For example, the United Nations played a crucial role in restoring peace in the region. 2. Personal and interpersonal context. In personal lives, it can mean resolving disputes or misunderstandings to bring back harmony in relationships. For instance, after a long discussion, they succeeded in restoring peace in their family. The phrase can be modified to suit different contexts. Achieving peace suggests a goal-oriented process. Maintaining peace focuses on keeping the existing peace. Peace restoration, a more formal variation of the phrase. We often find this phrase in literature and media, where it's used to describe the journey towards peace in both fictional and real-world scenarios. For instance, in a movie plot, a hero might be tasked with restoring peace in a troubled land. Understanding the phrase, restoring peace, and its usage can greatly enhance your comprehension and expression in English. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.